Hello, today we're going to go over NetTutor. NetTutor is a free online tutoring service that's provided by IBC to all of its students via campus. NetTutor appears on the menu bar as online tutoring. With this video, we're going to go over how your class and students can benefit from online tutoring. In order for your students to use NetTutor, you must first activate it for your course. Scroll down to the bottom to the settings, and at the top under the navigation tab, go all the way down to where it says online tutoring, select enable, and remember, always save your progress. Now let's take a short brief tour of NetTutor. To do that, look for the menu that says online tutoring. Here you're going to see all the different tutoring areas that are available to all IBC students. The student will have to select the appropriate subject area. We'll take a look at English and Literature, although all the other areas have the same look and services. Once the students are in the selected subject area, they're going to see different options to gain assistance. All areas have two different options: the drop in and meet with a live tutor, a live person, or the drop off a question. Although in the area of English students, they have a third option to drop off a paper and gain feedback from it later. Let's explore each of these areas. To drop off a paper, here students will have to upload a file that a tutor will look and provide feedback. It is important that the student fill in all the appropriate fields that best fit the assignment and the issues they want help with. Once the student fills in the appropriate fields and uploads their paper, they will receive feedback within 48 to 72 hours. The drop in and meet with a live tutor option. The students will meet with a live tutor in a chat session. The estimated wait time is typically less than 5 minutes. The tutor and the student will initiate a live chat session. The tutor will then provide a whiteboard to display the student's question. This session is recorded for the students for later access. To drop off a question, here students will simply drop off a question and come back for a response later. The students will present their question and some of the work that they are needing help with. Lastly, the locker. Each subject area has a locker. The locker is where students can get their live tutoring session history, get their paper feedback, and get feedback of the questions they dropped off. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the Distance Education Coordinator or visit the Distance Education website for more in-depth guides and tutorials on campus.